Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you trying to contact a buyer or seller but Facebook won't let you send messages? The can't message on marketplace error usually means there is a restriction, messaging limits, or account related issues. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to fix can't message on marketplace on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So why you can't message? So common reasons include temporary messaging restriction, marketplace account violation, too many identical messages sent, buyer blocked you or you blocked the buyer, or messenger app issues. So messaging limits protect users from spam. Okay, so now open Facebook, tap the three lines here. Okay, go to settings and privacy, tap it, and then tap settings. Open the account status, look for messaging restrictions, check marketplace violations, and this reveals official restrictions. So open Messenger, tap your profile icon, review accounts notices. You can do this because this is another fix. So look for temporary blocks, check community standards, warnings. Messaging blocks may be time limited, not forever, okay? So you can confirm you are not blocked, so try opening buyer's profile. If profile unavailable, you may be blocked. If message field is disabled, block may exist. If blocked, you cannot message them, okay? So avoid spam behavior, so don't send identical messages repeatedly. Avoid sending too many inquiries quickly, and space out conversations, okay? So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.